All right, if you want to know how to use 1mm Dermaroller, which is really deep, that one actually length it enters your epidermis, so you want to be very, 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 very careful how to use it. This is great if you have a deep fine lines, deep folds, deep, really deep wrinkles, saggy, discoloration, hyperpigmentation, extremely, extremely deep acne scars. 1mm Dermaroller comes already disinfected in this pouch and comes with the table for the sizes, how often to use each of the size, because you guys know there are many different sizes of the microneedling tools. I am gonna be using Dermaroller today only on the lower part, and why I have those masks, because you cannot use 1mm Dermaroller around the eyes at home. If you go to the esthetician, dermatologist place and they perform that, you do you. I do not personally use 1mm Dermaroller under the eyes because we have no fat right here, and if you pierce a small vessel or small capillary, we don't want that. So I'm gonna be taking, I'm kind of a little bit shaky, I just had a panic attack, but that's okay. Life sometimes throws at you lemons and I'm just trying to make the lemonade, but it's fine. Anyway, so this comes already disinfected. I'll open in a bit, but I'm disinfecting my skin. And this is liquid oxygen that disinfects your skin without drying your skin. That's much better than alcohol. And I'm just disinfecting the area where I'm gonna be using Dermaroller. If it's a little bit slightly sticky, that's fine. You just wanna have some little small face towel that you will use only for that reason. So I have this, hold on, I'm gonna wipe first off. And I'm not gonna use on the neck. I have separate neck video that I'm gonna be posting right here in the corner. You can go, guys, click on that video and watch it. And I think that's it. So I'm using this Dermaroller once a month only. Now, if you're very, very advanced and you've been Dermarolling with my Dermarollers for over a year and you already are this Dermaroller and using once a month, you can go ahead and start using every 3 weeks. But if it's less than that, please don't use it more often. You gotta promise to me, Jen, I'm giving you pinky promise. If I've been using your brand Dermarollers for over a year and I've been using already this one once a month, I can go ahead and start using once every 3 weeks, only in that case. All right, so this already comes disinfected. This is really, really amazing for these deep folds. By the way, wash your hands before using any microneedling tool on your skin. Super deep size. You can see the needles. These Dermarollers are trademarked with the real individual needles. This brand is the only one brand on the market that has a trademark and it has a real medical grade Dermaroller needles in it. CE certified. That's mean European Union, the strictest standards approve that to be safe, effective, and useful for the skin and safety standards. So, as you can see, deep needles. You can't use that size on the forehead. Don't even try it. You can't use around the eyes. Don't try it. Please do not use this Dermaroller size under the eyes. Please. Never, ever, ever, ever. Ever, 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 ever. And how do I do? Up. If it's going on the eye mask, that's totally fine. Up, 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 up. And I do this probably like 8 times. So I did 2. And with this size Dermaroller, no, you do not bleed. You don't. Doing the other side. And you always want to lift, guys, when you do this. Lift, lift, so the Dermaroller needles don't go in the same exact hole all the time when you do this, okay? And you don't want to do this with Dermaroller. You don't want to roll. You want to do straight lines like this. Bam, bam. And then, I don't know why I'm doing this. I just thought it would be more fun. We can put some music on here. All right, and then straight line right here, kind of 8 maximum 10 times if your skin is not sensitive. Now, if you do have a sensitive skin, you want to skip this video and go watch my 0.25mm Dermaroller video. That one is for sensitive skin. You cannot use this Dermaroller size if you have sensitive skin, and that's going to help with marionette lines, with nasolabial fold lines, and I have this kind of thing going on. So I kind of extra loving that spot. I'll roll 10 more times on that spot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And here as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I kind of, when I was rolling, I noticed I skipped these lines over here and the nose. So I'm gonna be holding my nose like that, and I'm just gonna roll from the top of my lip to here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A little bit more here, that's fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And on the nose, it's totally fine. Just do not pressure. That's gonna help with the reducing the pore size on your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now what I'm gonna do, this line right here, go over it 10 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What it does, it actually tightens here, firms here, so you have a little bit sharper jawline. And here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. On the neck, I don't use the size. I use either 0.25 or 0.5. That's totally fine. Same size as over here. So I waited actually 5 minutes because I wanted to see what kind of level redness on your skin is okay when you're using this kind of size Dermaroller, because in the beginning I was rolling like 8 times and I'm like, you might gonna have idea like questioning yourself, wait, is this enough? I'm not getting like burning sensation, I'm not getting like red or anything like that. This is after literally 5 minutes, I became like my shirt. That's totally okay of the redness. You do not have to bleed with this. If you bleeding, there is no research, there's no science behind it actually gonna give you better results. Then it's gonna be longer healing time, longer waiting time, more damage done to the skin, which doesn't mean that it's better. Now, what do you wanna do after? When you finish, take foam to disinfect that. That's again better than alcohol. It's much better. It's much safer for your skin and much safer for this. You leave like that for 10 minutes, rinse it with filtered water, close the lid, let it dry, and that's all how you disinfect Dermarollers. Dermaroller like that, it is good to be used up to 10 times. Every needle, ask any doctor, any nurse. It is usually one-time use with microneedling tools. It's okay to be used up to 10 times. There is research done that after using 5, 6, 7 times, needles start getting duller. So you don't want to use that, I will say, more than maximum 10 times. I can insert the picture right here when the needle with the time gets duller. Now, aftercare, you want to use something that is dedicated for microneedling. I get so many questions, Jen, I'm using this and this brand, I'm using this and this oil and this product. I have an entire video why you should be very careful which product to use, and I'm gonna put link somewhere right here. You have to be very careful what to use after. What I'm using and what this brand is dedicated, which is my brand, I'm gonna be honest, I'm the solo owner, no sugar daddies, no rich parents, just me created from the scratch because I love skincare and I love microneedling. I have a vitamin C booster. I'm changing the pump to the dropper so it's easier to access that, and I'm putting like maybe 7 to 8 like that between my hands and like basically slapping. Where I did not dermaroll, it's fine as well. Now at this point I can apply all of that under my eyes as well, so that means a little bit, few more drops over here like that. So, by the way, vitamin C, it is not L-ascorbic acid. I have an entire video somewhere here why you shouldn't use L-ascorbic acid, why you should use sodium ascorbyl phosphate. I'm telling you guys, I created the skincare line to be used after microneedling. You can use that without using Dermaroller or any microneedling tool, but this brand has been made and created and dedicated to be used after microneedling. If you can't afford that, please don't use nothing. Just Dermaroll, go to bed, that's it. Right now, totally fine. Then I'm gonna use Hyaluronic acid serum, which is hydrating the skin. So hyaluronic acid gonna hydrate, and vitamin C. This one tightens your skin really well. Try it. By the way, guys, I have 45 days return policy. Use it. You don't like it, no question asked. I trust my brand so much. Return, I will issue full refund. But I know we get those very rarely because this is freaking awesome brand. Toxic free certified, Leaping Bunny certified, GMP certified. It's really great. Look, botanical, all those herbs hydrates my skin, and I just feel like in heaven. And now, so this is hydrates, tightens, anti-aging, brightens, all this good stuff. And I'm following with vitamin C plus squalane, as well as sodium ascorbyl phosphate with squalane, which is a hydrating, nourishing. This is repair cream. Okay, thank you for liking my nail polish. This is you want to use after microneedling. This cream being created specifically to be used after microneedling to repair the skin. Tiny micro injuries on the skin. I'm taking maybe 4 pumps. Like, I know you can apply a little bit heavier layer, that's totally fine. It will absorb eventually and not, don't make this, like, just very gentle stroking, brushing technique on the forehead. Doesn't matter because we did not dermaroll, but stroking gentle like that. If it's a little bit left like that, a heavier layer, that's totally fine. After that you can apply my hydro mask, even more hydrating. I'll do that probably before night. Now with the microneedling, with this particular size, you might gonna get drier skin for the next couple of days. Absolutely fine. If you're peeling, that means you overdid it or you applied after something that you shouldn't. That's why I keep telling you it is very important to apply something that's been created after microneedling. And I don't know the brand in the world that have skincare line created particularly to be used after microneedling. Do your own research. I know the truth. I launched this brand. I am in this brand business for 7.5 years. I know what I'm talking. I'm licensed esthetician, master esthetician. I'm in holistic living. I always seek benefits results that will be similar to Botox without using fillers, without using lasers, using something at home that can be affordable. Guys, you can spend $200. I have a kit that is $150 that will last you for a couple of months, and I think this is, as a woman, is important to invest in our skin. Don't cry that you don't have money. You're probably watching this video right now on the expensive iPhone, and please don't tell that the $150 for the next 4 or 5 months, it's a lot for the skin, for the face. That's something everybody sees that every single day. I hear sometimes some complaints, Jan, your cream is $50, I can't afford it. There are tags in your closet on some of your clothes. Don't lie to me that you don't have that. We all do. Anyways, that's all for now. Aftercare, no sauna, no gym, no sun, no scrubbing, no exfoliating, no heavy sweating for the next at least 24 hours. Every skin is different, but make sure if you're gonna go in the sun, apply sunscreen. Mineral clean sunscreen from Amber Beauty, toxic free certified, the only one on the market. Sunscreen that is clean, mineral, and is toxic free certified. Bamboo cap, 5-layer tube, so that means you can have that in the sun and sunscreen not gonna be affected. By the way, subscribe to my newsletter. At this moment today we actually have BOGO, but that's gonna end next week. Subscribe to my newsletter, go to on my page, scroll down, there's gonna be a section, enter your email, subscribe to my newsletter. You're gonna get all kind of recommendations, BOGO, blogs that I write once a month, and all the promotions and deals and launches and stuff like this. We're working currently on red light therapy mask, so it's gonna be a good year 2025. Forgot to mention one thing. With 1mm, some of you might gonna be hurting, some of you might can handle. I can handle. I birthed my child naturally through this channel. Kind of proud, no judgment, but I'm proud mama. So for you, if you are struggling with the pain tolerance, this is the best numbing cream on the market. Before I'm gonna create my own, this 5% lidocaine, it is great to numb your skin. You will apply big amount of that. I don't want to take that because my finger is gonna get numb. You will take the big amount of this, like really scoop a lot, heavy layer on your skin, wait 10-15 minutes, remove it, wash it with the filtered water, and then do everything what I did like that. This is Numb 520 Ebanel. Really great numbing cream, but I'm gonna be working on the numbing cream myself very soon. just in case you guys need recommendation. All right, and then you want to hydrate internally, externally. Hydrate, drink water with a little bit pinch of Himalayan or Celtic salt. Eat healthy, that is very important. Exercise, and guys, have a positive mindset, the most important. And don't allow any stress in your life. No matter what, you can do it. Leave comment down below, subscribe if you haven't, click that notification button. You will get my videos on your notification tab. I love you. Bye.